Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast muthenya wa umuthi ni ndona Irungu Kang'ata gavana wa Murang'a akiaria thiini wa Fixing Nation. Now reke tobe tucoke na thutha. Hingo ino Ruto arari kuria mwena wa Murang'a ni tuonire Kang'ata ni athianirie na Ruto not kundu guothe, kundu kumwe na kumwe ta kuria Murang'a town ni twamuonire, no Irungu Kang'ata ni avoidire kwaria ohoro wa two term. Ayangi makiuga ohoro wa two term, gavana Irungu Kang'ata ndaririe no ukira akirire ohoro ucio wa politics ndawaririe. Muthenya wa umuthi ekoria Fixing Nation orio ohoro uyu auga atiriri ndari ara decide no etereire mugambo wa Ngai igetha amenye kuria ekurora. Irungu Kang'ata kuna trick aratumira auga atiriri after 1 year and 4 months kana after election gutiri gukorwo na uhoro wa one term kana two term, no undu uria kire andu a Murang'a undu ucio ni wakorwo wiho, but politically ndenda kuga mwena uria ri. Irungu Kang'ata ni mubango uriku enaguo niguka turore kenyambe ndimukire video no ya gavana wa kuria Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata, then njuke twaraniria no ngirona Kimani wa Matangio nake arathaka oro uguo. Irungu Kang'ata ngirora governors hakuhi ore Mount Kenya marathaka uguo ari outgoing no maugite uta igwa iguru uri onge wa Nyeri acio ni mokiteru makauga me mwena wa thirikari ari outgoing, no aria maenda tamu ya keri no ukira makirite oro uguo. Eno video ya mundu ogwitwo Irungu Kang'ata, thank muno aria maraya Kikuyu podcast. Aikodo we hau na ndura subscribe, kindly subscribe. Eno video ya Irungu Kang'ata.
You know, your question basically you are trying to lure me to declare where I am in all these political fights, and I'm sorry, I will not take up that challenge. I'm waiting to hear the soundings of the footsteps of God. Once I notice they are there now, I'll now rush, catch his hem of his cloth, then I will rise up. So again, I do not think at this moment I wish to really comment about the political trajectory of my people, and for two reasons. And I even told those who are there that currently people are divided in Kenya. Let me not even talk about Murang'a. In Kenya, we have two camps politically: one term and two term. They are good because it's politics is very sweet. When you look at the headlines, it's all about politics. And but one term and two term will not be there after 1 year and 4 months after we do the elections.
Guys, ucio ni governor Irungu Kang'ata. Now Irungu Kang'ata akiuga uguo aramaanisha atia? From my point of view, governor ta Irungu Kang'ata ona akiuga etereire mugambo wa Ngai, already kwina mugambo uria wi ground, na mugambo uria wi ground ni one term. In fact ya munya nayo naire thutha mutongoria bũrũri kuma kũrĩa Murang'a andu ni macinire nguo cia UDA, kila kindu kia UDA na uhoro wa one term ugicokereria. So he knows very well that ground ni one term. Andu aya marathaka oro uguo igetha hihi mundu amukire motungata wathi kwe thirikari nene mugateithania nao uria muguteithania. Angĩkorwo nĩguo kina arĩ kũrĩa agoka, angĩkorwo nĩ maendeleo maratwarwo Murang'a nĩ matwarwo, but the ground is one term. Odewe ni atiriri. No kore muruta Kang'ata na governors ariake. Nimaraniria na Rigathi wa Gachagua chini ya maji. Makamwira horera. Ihinda ria kinya nitukwiyumiria. Reke twambe turutire andu wira. Uguo niguo mareka. Majority of them. Uguo niguo mareka. Na ikiona andu aingi makirite. And after mwaka uyu ugithira kana mwaka uyu utanathira andu aingi muno nimekuwa mambitie kwa directions. Ungirora ona hingo ya githurano kia mwaka wa 22 Irungu Kang'ata Kimani Wamatangi mokire gucenjia na guku thutha makingira UDA. So that's the same strategy they will use. But chini ya maji as you speak, I know nimaaniria na Gachagua because nimamenya kugama na DCP na bemwe ndukahuthira bia nyingi. That's uguo niguo kuri. Mount Kenya region ukisimama na DCP ndukahuthira bia nyingi. Na ikiona atiriri higwino kwina by election aikona mundu urarwa na UDA utego support ne thirikari o uguo tu enyiki utego support ne thirikari ndunge manage todo ko convince ado no gina muite bia pio. Na ikyo uko na atiriri githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 ya ko tofauti muno na by election todo regime ino ira concentrate eke resources ciothe hau besha kugeria kugura andu igetha andu muge uhoro wa one two term igetha candidate wa ta UDA ayobia ashide. But come 27 mundu makome tofauti aikoni MP rathi wenyiki governor rathi wenyiki aikora goma na UDA ground is silipare. You use a lot of money to convince adu. You will use a lot of money. Toro uguo tu ona ciama ingi you will use a lot of money. But when you come from Mount Kenya region when a DCP ndukahuthira bia nyingi tiriri kendu re makorwo na Raila Odinga gwathie gate. In fact, do you know kwe konita kuria Siaya James Orengo gutire poster mekiraga kwena kundu Raila auga niwe special Nyanza region adosho nimatia kila posters kana atia. Raila auga Orengo tosha Anyang'o tosha Osho gitosha. I tell you asubuhi na mapema that's what will happen in Mount Kenya region and these readers know. So tuikinya hali ya mwisho especially next year adua ne makaruga mwena uyu okay. Already I'm sure ni maranagiria na Rigathi wa Gachagua chini ya maji. I'm sure ni maragia. I'm sure yes no gina makikwa ni maragia no gina mundu agikwa ni athondeka njira yake no gina mundu agikorwo ni athondeka barabara gake ni ndwa githurano kia mwaka wa 27. Any politician ndugeda ukinye handu ati ni gutumira bia when you make a bad choice of political party you know onokoni na perform no ikore andu magiwikiaja because of long choice. So these people no gina ni malaria na Rigathi wa Gachagua makamwira kithake uguo but haria thutha by the end of it all I will join you. Uguo ni wikarite mashina maundu maria meho ucio ni Irungu Kang'ata governor wa Murang'a oguo niguo augite. Anyway moni manyu mreko inywe mona ate thank you gamatuna amarathime guys it is what it is kwani iko nini thank you muno gamatuna amarathime nyimo thikagia podcast nyinyi watu wa nguvu sana nyimo thikagia nyimo subscribe nyinyi watu wa nguvu sana gamatuna aro marathima asante sana.